Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of cold milk, 2 to 3 scoops of your favorite ice cream, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. Choosing a good quality ice cream is key for a rich, creamy texture. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of cold milk into the blender first, then add your 2 to 3 scoops of ice cream. Begin blending on a low setting to gently incorporate everything. As the mixture starts to combine, slowly increase the speed to medium or high until it reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, usually within 30 to 60 seconds. This is where you can truly make your milkshake your own. Feel free to add about 1/4 cup of fresh fruit, a tablespoon of chocolate syrup, or a few drops of vanilla extract for extra flavor. If you prefer it sweeter, a teaspoon of sugar or honey can be blended in. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect personalized treat. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, carefully pour it into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, you can top it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a bright red cherry. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately, so grab a straw and savor every delicious, creamy sip. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.